Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited about today's topic. I'm going to be talking about how to make passive income on Etsy. So a couple days ago, I made a video on how to make money selling printables on Etsy. And I will link the video if you want to watch it. It's a great video and I walk you step by step on how to create printables to sell on Etsy. And many people ask me, what are some other examples of digital downloads that you could sell on Etsy to start making passive income? So I wanted to create this video to show you 7 different Etsy stores that are killing it on Etsy and that you could kind of start doing similar items and start making money on Etsy today. So make sure that you watch all the way to the end. That way you can see all 7 different stores. Before we start talking about the actual different stores, if this is your first time visiting my channel, consider subscribing. I upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to talk about, what is passive income, right? So passive income is basically money that you earn with minimal activity through a variety of ventures which require little daily efforts of upkeeping on your end. So basically, you might check in every day for an hour your emails and see if you have any customers that maybe send you a message, and that's all you have to do. You might have to edit a file here and there, but for the most part, because all of these will be instant download, you don't necessarily have to do any work besides the front work, which is creating the files and adding them to the store. But after that, anything you sell, it requires very little effort from your end. That's passive income. Now, you could combine passive income in the sense of having instant downloads plus custom items if you like as well, and your workload will be a lot lighter as well. So it's not going to be like somebody else's full day, which is like 8 hours a day. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's take a look at 7 Etsy stores that are killing it on Etsy. So the first one I want to talk about is this store here. It's called Darlene Pepperay Studio by Carly. And she's been open since 2014 and has had 21,000 sales. As you can see, she doesn't have like a massive listings, right? She doesn't have a whole bunch of listings. She has 329. But all of her listings are edible, which means that when you buy this listing, you get an instant download and you will be responsible, or you will actually edit the template. You actually edit it with a software called Template, which lets you do editable signs, editable invites, editable, placement cards, whatever you want to do, you could use them. And this is the name of it, just in case you guys want to see it. And basically, she's done a killing just having 300 products. Imagine if she had 1,000 products, how much more she would have made, right? It does take a lot of time to create this edible files in the beginning. I won't lie, because I have some in my stores and it is time consuming. But once you got the hang of it, once you have them uploaded in your store, then after that, you don't have to do any work. You might get the occasional email from someone that they don't understand how to use it, or they don't know, they might have a question about the font or the color or something. So you might have to respond to those type of emails. But this is passive income. She makes money every single day while she sleeps with minimal effort from her end. She might have to just check her email periodically every day, just to, in case she has any messages. So this is a great way to make money on Etsy without doing so much work. So this is the first store that I wanted to show you as an example. The second store that I wanted to talk about is planners. So if you are interested or ever thought about doing planners, um, planners are very popular on Etsy. This is a store that's been open since 2015, so it's relatively 4 years old. It's not, since 2008. And she's done a killing as well. She sold 66,000. All of her stuff is digital download. So basically she creates it, She uploads it, and when the person buys it, it's like an instant download basically. She doesn't ship anything out, and she makes passive income while she sleeps. And as you can see, she sells calendars, she sells planners, she has a little bit of everything. But as you can see, she makes a killing, and she has specials going on, and she has bundle packages as well. But as you can see, she also has only 204 items and have sold over 66,000 in sales. So this is another great way to start making passive income on Etsy. She has great marketing display. How she displays all her products are really great. So this is awesome. This is like a bundle package of her 5 top um, bundles that she sells, or packages that she sells, and she sells them all together, and she makes $17 from them, which is not bad for a digital download file. So if you guys are good at creating planners and calendars, I highly recommend starting an Etsy shop just selling planners and making passive income from there. Now, another store that I wanted to look at is this store. Is called I Love to Print. And they've also been open since 2015, and they have sold 62,000 in sales, plus in sales. And they're a sticker store, and their downloads are also printable ones. So you basically buy them, you print them out, and you cut them yourself. So you could see that just because you sell stickers, you don't necessarily have to print them out and mail them out to customers. You can actually sell them as printables. I don't know if you guys knew that, but you can. There are people out there that will print these from home, from their printer at home, using sticker paper. So this is another great way to, obviously, what we're talking about today, make passive income from home. As you can see, it works. She's making a killing, and she has a little bit more items on her store, 613. But that's a healthy number. It's not like she has 3,000 and that's why she's making a killing. She has under 1,000 listings and she's still making a killing. Now, the next one I want to talk about, the next store, is called Jen's Craft Designs, and they sell SVG cutting files for circuit and silhouette. So as you can see, this store has been open also since 2015 and have sold over 77,000, and they have 817 products in their store. But they're making a killing as well. So as you can see, these are different stores that sell different items. All of them are digital downloads, and all of them make passive income. So these are different examples that I wanted to show you guys to inspire you to open a new Etsy shop where you can make passive income that doesn't require you for you to be there 24/7. And it's very simple to do, especially if you know how to do something additional. So if you're good at planners, maybe you're good at making SVG files, maybe you're good at wedding invites, whatever it is, tap into that because it's great to have different passive incomes. That's what I normally would recommend my freelance clients to start doing. This is another store. It's called Kiwi and Berries, and they sell digital artwork. As you can see, they have sold 34,000. So once again, they have a little bit more than the other stores. They have 1,330 products, but as you can see, they're making a killing as well. So selling digital products are very popular nowadays, especially on Etsy. If you wanted to do something a little bit different, you could also sell Snapshot Filters. So this is one store that opened in 2017, so fairly new. They have sold 12,693 sales, which I think is pretty good for being filters. And they sell their filters for reasonable price for $10. So that's pretty good money. If you take the median price of $9.98, right, and you were to multiply that by their sales, you could say roughly they have made a little bit over 126,000. That's saying that their lowest price point was $9.98. So you could see the potential. I mean, that's great money. If you divide that by 2 years, that's an extra 63,000 that they're making on passive income. Now, this one will require a little bit of editing. But at the end of the day, it probably takes them a few minutes to put the name of the person and the dates and send it out to them. I sell filters in my store and it takes me minutes to do. Now, the work to do them require a little bit more. When you're creating the files, that's when you're putting majority of your time. Once you have the file made, you could sell them over and over and over, and the workload will be a lot less. So just keep that in mind. But this is another great way to do something different. They're very niche related, so it's really great. It's about parties and invites, so it's really, really great. And then the last one I wanted to show you is Magical Printable. They're open since 2015. And originally, when they first started selling, because I used to follow them and I have bought items from them, they only sold digital downloads, just like instant downloads. They didn't print. Recently, they started, I think last year, they started adding printing services. So they do have that now available. But when they first started, it was all digital downloads and they made a killing with it. And what they sell is bridal shower party games, for everything from party games to signs to invites. So it's really cool. It's all digital downloads. So I wanted to show you guys 7 different stores that sell 7 different products that are all digital downloads and they're making passive income. Some of them might work a little bit more because of the editing, and a lot of them are not doing anything besides responding to customers' emails and any questions that they might have. But that's it. So, guys, I hope that this video inspires you to go ahead and open a shop where you can make passive income on Etsy and potentially, do a couple of those stores that it doesn't take too much time from you, but you start making a lot of money. So if this video inspired you and you want to learn more about passive income, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be adding a lot more videos on this subject. And don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.